Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to enable or access paste special in Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first method, you can try to enable paste special feature by using ribbon menu of Excel. To do this, select the cells you want to copy. Go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. Look for the clipboard group. Click on the arrow in the bottom right corner of the group. A menu will appear. Choose Paste Special. The next method is to access Paste Special in Excel by using right-click menu. Select the cells you want to copy. Right-click on the selected cells. A context menu will appear. Choose Paste Special from the menu. You can even use keyboard shortcut to enable Paste Special in Microsoft Excel. For this, select the cells you want to copy. Press Ctrl+C to copy the cells. Press Alt+E+S on your keyboard. A dialog box will open with various paste options. Choose the desired option by pressing the corresponding letter key. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to enable Paste Special in Excel using 3 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.